the Prophet ﷺ had seen that he was catching white birds in London. Why London in particular?
Because in London, Hazrat Muslim was given a promise that inshallah England will turn to Ahmediyya. So I'm still hoping for that. And they're fair-colored people, they're white birds, and during the British rule, whatever their faults, they were politically suppressing India, but as far as the religious freedom is concerned, they're very honest about it. And they're still honest about it. We are sitting here in the heart of England, and we are preaching against Christianity. So I do hope that inshallah Muslim will catch a lot of white birds. The interpretation hopefully is that ever since I have come to London as a representative of Muslim, the West is responding much more to Ahmadiyya message. And the white birds are not only of London but of Germany, of America and other European countries. They are all white birds which are being caught through MTA on behalf of Muslim.